Hey GBTV.
Didn't see you there.
Today we're making I don't know what we're gonna make. Now why do you have a...
What?
Never mind. What should we make? Nick?
No.
Well, what are we gonna... How'd you get there now?
I don't know.
What are we gonna cook?
Maybe what we should cook will fall out the sky.
How are you gonna tell me something's gonna... How do you keep getting objects? How do you keep getting objects that are inanimate to what we're doing?
I don't know. But it's gonna fall from the sky.
Close enough.
Sky.
Now you have your chicken nuggets. You're gonna need one plate.
El Plato.
That's plate in Spanish.
Hey, Mr. Bidwell.
Now you put them on, you go to the microwave. Then you stick them in.
Is that a microwave?
No.
You have a microwave?
Then you hit it for 4 minutes.
4. Quattro in Spanish.
Hi, Mr. Bidwell.
Again.
Now let's see what we got.
Just let me do it, bro.
Just like...
And then you have chicken nuggets. Okay.
Oh, chicken nuggets.